Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. My dear students, today I have come up with the very important topic, that is second language English. Okay, here in this video I am going to explain you and show you the very important questions regarding the second language English of class 10th Karnataka State Board. And this is the material which has been prepared as per the new pattern as well the reduced syllabus 2020-2021. So children, this is enricher and this is past to progress, and the material what we have showing you here, it is been prepared from the department, that is Directorate of Minorities, Government of Karnataka, and even their subordinates and the coordinators. Okay, this is the team of people who have prepared this material, and it is very important and excellent material, children, which I am going to show you here. As you can see the index which is been shown here, in which page number to which page number the chapter is covered, and I will show you the importance of this material, and this is one of the very important and excellent material, so on. As you can see here, the first chapter is hero. So these are the 2-mark questions which you can expect for your upcoming board exam. I want you all need to go with these all questions. Already we have done part 1 of second language English passing package, and this is part 2 which I am going to explain you here. I just want you have to go with these all questions. So definitely hope so you people can clear your board exam in case if you are following this study material. Is this clear? And you can see the 3-mark questions from this chapter. Children, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Still we are going to give you the updates regarding your examination, okay, and also related to the study materials, passing packages and scoring packages, and still more information will be given to you in our YouTube, through our YouTube channel. Okay, so it is one of the plus point for you people in case if you are going to subscribe, you so that you can find the instant notification in case if you are going to click the bell icon. Okay, as you can see the 3-mark extract from this chapter. So here in the same way, in the similar manner, the complete chapters from each and every chapter, the grammar part, the theory part, everything is been covered in this study material. Okay, I just want you all have to kindly go with this study material. This is one of the beautiful material, as I can say you, and it has been covered each and everything, so that not only you can pass in the upcoming board exam, even you can score also in case if you are going to follow this study material. So as you can see here, I'll just scroll down. This is the complete second language English study material come notes. Okay, so I can just show you here, even the which poem is there for the memorization, everything has been given in this material, and even you can see the opposites. The grammar part is also covered in this material. Okay, as you can see here, the grammar part, your 1-mark questions, special cases, grammar, voices, verbs, everything is been covered right from the scratch, right from the basic till the end, till the advanced level. Each and everything is been covered. I can tell you that this is one of the important material. I can say you that it is one of the important guide. It will helps you like a guide, it will helps you your study material, it will helps you like your model paper. Everything is been done in this, children's. Okay, as you can see here, the pictorial type questions, even those things also are covered in this material. So definitely children, you can see here letter rating is also covered in this study material. So it is nothing but I can tell you, it's one of the excellent material till now what I have seen, and we are going to upload this material into our YouTube channel now. And also if any students who needs a PDF of this video, you can download through my Telegram channel. Even my Telegram channel name is also Shasar Classes. Please kindly download the material through our Telegram channel. Wish you all the best of luck. Still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it, and also you ask your other friends, your juniors also to subscribe to the channel, and click the bell icon. Share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. Okay, if you like this class and the session, do not forget to click the like button. Comment below how was this class and what video you want to make me next. Thank you, take care, keep watching, be safe, bye bye.